What's up, guys? Chilling, skating under this bridge in Lansing. Darren just did a big ass thing over this fucking gas. They can probably hear me. Maybe if you took your hand off the mic. Yeah, I got this new setup where I was street skating, so yeah, I'm just show you the rest of my day. Keep it real and whatever.
Alright, here we go, third take. Real quick, Ali. Got me breathing with dragons. I cracked the egg in your basket, madness. Now just imagine the magic I like to ask is don't ask for your favorite rapper.
He dead.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Church.
He dead.
I killed him.
Amen.
Bitch. And this is rigor mortis, and it's gorgeous when you die. I recorded, and I'm Morpheus, the matrix in my mind. I'm out the orbit, you an orphan and a hairdresser combined. I'm on the toilet when I rhyme. If you the shit, then I decline.
Leave him alone.
Angel in the sky, and don't be forging on my signatures. My listeners reply and tell me that you biting style. You got a hell of an appetite, and I'm a beer for a while. Just buckle up before the ride, or knuckle up if you can fight. We always making them duck or die. A suit and tie is suitable, and usual is suicide. CSI just might investigate this fucking parasite.
He dead. Amen.
That's what they telling me. Aim it at your celebrity. This is studio felony. Pharaoh Gambi to many and cool enough for the 70s. Nigga, payback's a bitch. And bitch, you been living in debt with me. Dead I'm all in especially. Leave a call on this mother voicemail.
Hey everybody, I'm not driving my car. Horrible happened today. I crashed it, I rear-ended someone and I need to get it fixed, so this is my key. I crashed it, but we're gonna combine yesterday and today into one vlog because I just forgot to finish yesterday because it got late. My battery died, so we're just gonna make it a double vlogger or whatever. I think we're gonna go disc golfing and maybe skate afterwards. Yeah. Alright everybody, it's time to see the aftermath of what happened this morning on my way to work. Oh my god, it's so hard for me to look at. Oh no. Buddy, poor little Vivian. I cannot believe this, yo. You can see in there, man. Poor little buddy. So as you can see, I'm not having the best of days. Still keeping a smile on my face, though. You can never let the hard times bring you down. Just changed. Got that comfy stuff on. Trying to take it easy for the rest of the day. Let me just put my skate shoes on. The homie Nico hooked it up with some fresh laces yesterday when they ripped, so shout out Nico. He's a good skater, man. He's a young skater, and I love to see the early development. It's all about the youth, man. I better grab my board. Mall grab, mother. What's up, guys? I'm gonna tee off, show you some skills, and my girlfriend's gonna be the cameraman. Alright, so I'm just gonna let you guys know this. I haven't been disking in a while, so whatever happens, happens. Fuck! I don't want to disc anymore. I'm not gonna disc for you guys. That's it. That's all you get. Alright, I'm back. We drove to a different park. You know, just chill, relax for a little bit, get my mind straight pretty much. And yeah, it's pretty cool here. I'm gonna probably get a cool little artsy shot.
Fuck that. 8 doobies to the face. Fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga. Fuck that. 2 pills and a halfway, nigga. Fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Man, I swear my nigga tripping off that shit again. Pick 'em up, then I set 'em in cold water. Then I order someone to bring 'em Vicodin. Then hope they take the pain away from the fit.
The journey has brought us to this magical place we like to call KFC here in America. And I also have the 3-piece tender $5 fill up. And I'm gonna have to go with a lemonade with that one. Oh crap, my credit card I got. What? Your card? Woohoo! Hello. Thank you. Our next destination, just like our watcher viewers want to see, is the skate park. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know. We got KFC, as you obviously know that. Ordered a 3-piece, they gave me 4. So what's good? Woo!
Exists like whoa, whoa.
Don't gotta live it, just give me some more with it. Don't gotta live it, just give me some more with it. They always tell me ADHD did it.
And then she started. Well, I grabbed the baby. She say 22, I say 23. Okay, then we all crack babies. Damn, why you say that? She said, yeah, I'ma tell you later. Just tell your neighbors. The police relax. I stood up, shut the fuck up. Made to the back where she designed. She said, between the lines. Yep. Okay, they show me love when the lights turn down. The fact that she just might go to the drum. Everybody had to do now. It's nothing to do. Like, okay, what about all that? She looked at me, then looked.
It's been raining, man. Or it's about to be. A little sad. You have done your job, board. Thank you so much. Woo! Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here today because it started raining at the skate park, so I'm pretty sure it's getting pretty long because it's like a 2-day vlog, so yeah. I'm gonna end it on a good note by saying all the negative that happens in your life, even if you rear end someone, and just keep it positive, because you can have a good day or life. I don't know. Peace out.
Double cup, 4, 6, 10, 6,